Hello everyone. Hope you are safe and fine. Today we are going to conduct our mathematics class. Today also we are going to use our maths book of MIE part 2. First of all, we are going to do a recap. As you all know, yesterday we have worked about the total number of objects. So let us take one example. Example 1. I count the correct number of balls. So we have green balls and blue balls. So in the first example, we are going to count the correct number of balls. So how many green balls do we have? Let us count. 1, 2. So we have 2 green balls. And how many blue balls do we have? 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 blue balls. And the total number of balls altogether, how many balls do we have? Let us count in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 balls in all. Today we are going to work on the page number 24. On which page? On the page number 24. As you can see, we are going to work the activity 3 and we are going to see the example and we are going to work the number 1. Let's work out the numbers on the page number 24. Activity 3. I count the correct number of bottle tops. I count the correct number of bottle tops. Count the number of bottle tops. Firstly, we are going to count the green ones and secondly, we are going to count the blue ones. So let us count how many green bottle tops do we have. 1, 2, 3. Very good. And how many blue bottle tops do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we take the bottle tops, we merge it all together, how many bottle tops would we have? So we are going to take the green one and the blue one, we are going to mix it. On va prendre les verts et puis le bleu, on va mettre ensemble. So let us count if we take the green one and the blue one together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in all, how many bottle tops do we have? 7. Very good. Now let us work the example. In the example, we have blue lorries and yellow lorries. Let us see how many blue lorries do we have and how many yellow lorries do we have. Let us count how many blue lorries do we have. 1, 2, 3. And how many yellow lorries do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see in the box, we have taken the blue lorries and the yellow lorries, we have put it together. So when we have put the blue one and the yellow one all together, we are going to get the total number of lorries. D'accord? Alors, on a pris les bleus et puis les jaunes, on a mis les deux ensemble. Let us count. Allons compter combien de camions on a. Let us count how many lorries do we have in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 lorries in all. Let us try number 1 now. So here we have buses. We have blue bus and yellow bus. Let us count how many red buses do we have. And we are also going to count how many blue buses do we have. Let us first count how many red buses do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 red buses. And how many blue buses do we have? 1, 2. So we have 2 blue buses. In all, when we take the red one, we mix it with the blue one, how many buses will we have? Let us see if we take the red one and the blue one, we merge it together. Let us see how many would we have. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in all, we have 6 buses. Okay? Let's move on now. We are going to work on the page number 25. We are going to work the number 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so we are going to work the number 2, 3 and 4 together. So on the page number 25, let us firstly work the number 2. So for the number 2, we have aeroplanes and helicopter. Okay, so we are going to count how many aeroplanes do we have and how many helicopters do we have. Okay, then we are going to take the aeroplanes and the helicopters. We are going to put it all together to count how many planes do we have. Okay, so let us count for the helicopter. For the aeroplanes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 aeroplanes. How many helicopters do we have? Only 1. So we have 1 helicopter. So if we take the helicopter and the aeroplane, we put it all together, how many would we have? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in all we have 7. Here we are doing the addition of the planes. Okay, so we are working on the topic of addition. We take one thing and we add it with another, and we are going to see how many would we have at the end. Okay, let us work the number 3 now. For the number 3, we have red cars and blue cars. Okay, and at the end we are going to take the red one and the blue one. We are going to put them together. For the red one, let us count how many red ones do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 red cars. And how many blue cars do we have? 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 blue cars. Let us see now, if we take the red one and the blue one all together and we put it in one box, how many cars would we have? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in all, when we have add the red one to the blue one, we have get 8 cars. For the number 4, we have bicycles and motorcycles. Let us count how many bicycles do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 bicycles. And how many motorcycles do we have? 1, 2. So we have 7 bicycles and 2 motorcycles. Now if we take the bicycles and the motorcycles all together, let us see how many would we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will have 9. So what have we done? We have taken the bicycle and the motorcycle all together and we have counted it. So we have added the bicycle and the motorcycle. I hope you have understood the topic of today and it was very clear for all of you. I would like to say to all of you goodbye and take care till then.